These are the Daily Tech headlines for Friday, January 3rd, 2025. I'm Rob Dunwood. A U.S. appeals court ruled Thursday that the Federal Communications Commission lacked the legal authority to reinstate landmark net neutrality rules. The decision marks a setback for the Biden administration, which had prioritized restoring open internet protocols. In 2021, President Joe Biden signed an executive order urging the FCC to reestablish the rules. However, a three-judge panel from the Cincinnati-based 6th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals concluded that the FCC did not have the authority to revive the regulations. These rules were initially introduced in 2015 during the Obama administration, but were repealed in 2017 under the Trump administration. 17 U.S. states, including Florida, Tennessee, and South Carolina, have enacted laws requiring strict age verification measures to prevent minors from accessing explicit content, leading to restricted access to major adult websites. Inspired by Louisiana's Act 440, these laws subject non-compliant sites to fines and potential lawsuits. In response, ALO, the parent company of Pornhub and similar platforms, has chosen to block access to its sites entirely in these states. Despite global sales falling for the first time in company history, Tesla sales in China rose 8.8% to a record high of more than 657,000 cars in 2024. December sales rose 12.8% from the previous month to 83,000 units, also a record. Tesla's record-breaking sales in China, while its worldwide deliveries fell, is reflective of the global EV landscape, as China is the only major market seeing robust growth versus a slowdown or even slide in other markets. China accounted for 70% of global sales of EVs and hybrids in the first 11 months of 2024, and over 90% of an increase in global EV and hybrid sales over the last year came from China. In other EV news, Tesla's biggest competitor once again claims the world's top EV manufacturer title. BYD produced 1,777,965 vehicles in 2024, about 4,500 more than Tesla. Tesla, however, still had a slight edge in annual EV sales, delivering 1.79 million units to BYD's 1.65 million. Rewind back to 2023, and Tesla had a sizable lead. That year, BYD made roughly 1.6 million EVs, a figure dwarfed by Tesla's 1.85 million. TechCrunch reports that over half a dozen VPN apps, including Cloudflare's popular 1.1.1.1, have been removed from India's Apple App Store and Google Play Store following government intervention. According to a document reviewed by TechCrunch and information disclosed by Google to Lumen, a Harvard University database tracking global government takedown requests, the Indian Ministry of Home Affairs issued orders for the app's removal. In a communication to one of the affected developers, Apple cited a demand from the Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center, a part of the Ministry of Home Affairs, which deemed the developer content to contravene Indian law. Foreign branded smartphone shipments to China, including Apple's iPhone, fell by 47.4% in November from a year earlier, marking the fourth consecutive month according to calculations based on data from the China Academy of Information and Communications Technology. Foreign brand shipments decreased to 3.04 million units from 5.769 million units a year earlier. The decline follows October's 44.25% year-on-year drop in foreign smartphone shipments, extending a downward trend in the world's largest smartphone market. Apple Fitness Plus is receiving a major update with the Strava app thanks to a collaboration between the two companies. The integration now offers more detailed workout summaries, appearances by Strava athletes in Fitness Plus content, and a free 3-month trial for Strava subscribers. Users can view workout thumbnails alongside details like episode number, music genre, trainer, metrics, and achievements. While primarily a design update, the changes align Fitness Plus with other Strava integrations, such as those from Peloton and Ladder. The influencer marketing merger and acquisition streak continues, with the social media marketing agency Later announcing that it has acquired Mavely for $250 million in cash and stock. Mavely is a platform known for paying commissions to social media creators for the sales they directly generate. The deal is part of a trend consolidating the glowing influencer marketing industry, which powers ad posts on social media. Advertisers are seeking streamlined solutions to manage, measure, and pay for collaborations with creators, making large-scale campaigns easier to execute. And finally, China has introduced its first domestically developed electric-driven flying car, the Dongge Kunpeng No. 1, designed by a research team from Southeast University. Unveiled Wednesday, the vehicle features a 4-axis 8-rotor configuration, full steering capability, and an all-wheel drive system, marking the significant milestone in advancing the nation's flying vehicle technology. For more analysis of the tech news of the day, subscribe to dailytechnewsshow.com. You can find show notes and links to all the headlines there as well. Thanks for listening. We'll talk to you next time.